Greetings to all the aspirants present out there. This is Chandigarh Civil Services. Aspirants, we have already started one series that is of the Himachal Pradesh Administrative Examination mains perspective, जहाँ पे we have already covered your GS2, General Studies paper number 2, Unit 3rd and Sub-Unit 3. We are exclusively covering your mains perspective जो हिमाचल का section है, जहाँ पे हमने एक unit जो थी we are already covered, and this is the second unit जो हमने start की थी. And yes, in this particular unit, in the part 1, we had a discussion about the socio-economic development related to your SC schedule caste के बारे में हमने देखा था कि constitutional provisions क्या हैं. After that, education, economic and public employment related safeguard. Then हमने देखा था कि what are the different आपके legislation क्या है, what are the different welfare board कौन-कौन से हैं, corporations related to scheduled caste हैं. Then हमने part 2 भी already cover कर लिया है जहाँ पे हमने scheduled caste को completely back up किया था. That is your welfare schemes क्या हैं for the scheduled caste population in the state. Then हमने देखा था various type of schemes exclusively meant for the socio-economic development of your scheduled caste. Fine. Then हमने देखा था कि what are the initiative and schemes in the budget for the scheduled caste population of the state. So last lecture में हमने ये सब चीजें cover की थी. Fine. So continuing that particular series, in this particular session, we will be covering your part 3, जहाँ पे we'll have the discussion about your scheduled tribes. तो scheduled caste के regarding whatever the things जो हमने already cover कर लिए. So let's see part 3 में same strategy के साथ we'll move. सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि कितना status है, कितनी percentage है, what are the steps which is being taken by your Himachal Pradesh government, क्या-क्या constitutional provision है related to scheduled tribes. So let's see scheduled tribes in Himachal Pradesh. So as per the socio-economic जो caste census हुआ है of the 2011, tribal of the Himachal Pradesh are better off among the scheduled tribe household in the rural areas of India. So yes, when we are comparing the scheduled tribes which are living in the Himachal Pradesh, they are better off. That means their condition is far better as compared to the other tribal population throughout the India. Along with this, nearly 21.37% scheduled tribe household जो है उनकी income जो है वो more than 10,000 per month है. Fine. So this is important कि 21.37% की जो population है उनकी जो income है that is more than 10,000 per month. And yes, as many as 42.76% tribal household own irrigated agricultural land. That means 42.76% जो लोग हैं scheduled tribe के उनके पास अपनी agricultural land है. So because of all these data, ये clearly indicate कर रहा है कि scheduled tribe which is residing in the beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh, they are having a what? Far better place. Along with this, जितनी भी आपकी salaried job है, जो भी आपकी government jobs हैं, उसमें से हिमाचल के जो ट्राइबल्स हैं दे आर अहेड ऑफ अदर स्टेट्स. सो अराउंड 23.72% ऑफ सच हाउसहोल्ड दे आर हैविंग एटलीस्ट वन मेंबर जो है आपका गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है. दैट मीन्स दे आर हैविंग अ व्हाट, इनकी इनकम भी है, सैलरी जॉब भी है, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज भी है, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड भी है. दैट मीन्स देयर सोर्स ऑफ द लाइवलीहुड जो है दैट इज वेरी इंटैक्ट. And yes, they are far better placed when we are comparing them at the national level. Fine. Then next thing, अगर हम official list देखें of the scheduled tribe in Himachal Pradesh, तो SC की population कौन-कौन सी है? That is your आपके आ जाएंगे गद्दीस, then आपके गुजर्स, then आपके किन्नर और किन्नोरास, then लाहौरास, fine, and पांगवास, fine. Apart from some other smaller tribal groups like Bodh, Veda, Jad, Lamba, Kampa and Swangla. ये जो है आपकी these are the what जो official list में आपके बताए गए हैं, these are the scheduled tribes in Himachal Pradesh. So these are the things जिनको क्या है आपका scheduled tribe का क्या है status दिया गया है. Along with this, ST population जो है आपकी अगर हिमाचल प्रदेश में अगर आप देखेंगे स्पेशली इन द लाहौल स्पीति एंड किन्नौर एरिया में क्या है प्रोमिनेंटली देखने को मिलता है. एंड यस इन द लाहौल स्पीति, जब हम लाहौल स्पीति की अगर बात करते हैं सो यस दे आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग अराउंड 81% ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. एंड किन्नौर की अगर बात करेंगे दैट इज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग अराउंड आपका 58%. दैट मीन्स मेजरली शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स की पॉपुलेशन आपकी लाहौल स्पीति एंड किन्नौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या है देखने को मिलती है. फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज योर, अगर हम लिटरेसी रेट की अगर बात करें अमंग द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स, सो यस, जो लिटरेसी परसेंटेज है आपकी अमंग द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स दैट हैज इंक्रीज्ड. दैट मीन्स उनका स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग भी इम्प्रूव हुआ है. यस, तो उनका जो लिटरेसी रेट है दैट हैज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. सो यस, आपका 2001 में अगर हम डाटा को एनालाइज करते हैं दैट वाज जस्ट 65.5%, एंड यस इन द 2011 census के accordingly it has increased to 73.64%. Fine. So this is the overall literacy which has increased. And yes, जब हम मेल की लिटरेसी की बात करते हैं among your scheduled tribe, so this is around 83.17%, and female, जो फीमेल की लिटरेसी है that is stood at 42.20. This is according to the 2011 census. So that means कि आपका लिटरेसी रेट भी शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब में बहुत अच्छा है. That's why क्या है, they are having a very good standard of the living. They are already engaged in the various गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशन, गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, एंड येस इनका लिटरेसी रेट जो है मेल का जो है दैट इज मोर एज कम्पेयर टू द फीमेल. बट येस, फीमेल लिटरेसी रेट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एज कम्पेयर टू द व्हाट आपका जो बाकी, अगर हम इंडिया के लेवल पे कंपैरिजन करते हैं शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब का, सो दीज आर व्हाट दे आर प्लेस्ड इन अ व्हाट बेटर प्लेस्ड. फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज योर, इन द सिमिलर मैनर जैसे हमने देखा था देयर आर द लॉट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, लीगल एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड थे आपके शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट के लिए. In consonance with that, they are also having the certain आपकी constitutional provision है. What are those? First is your Article 14. What exactly it is saying? Related to the equal rights and opportunities. So that means every person who belong to the different strata of the society, whether it's a ST, SC or other backward classes, they are having the equal rights and opportunities. Next is your Article 15. Article 15 बोलता है कि there will be a what? It prohibit the discrimination on the ground of your sex, religion, race, caste, etc. So that means people will not be discriminated on any ground. Next is your Article 15(4). That is making a special provision, especially related to your scheduled tribe. That means this 15(4) you have to mention while answer writing. अगर आप 15 लिख रहे हैं, that is a very generalized kind of thing. जब आप 15 और 4 सब आर्टिकल मेंशन करोगे, that is exclusively related to your scheduled tribe. तो आपको ये सब एग्जाम्पल क्या है कोट करने पड़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज योर 16(3). जैसे 15(4) था वैसे 16(3). फाइन. आपने अगर देख रहे हैं तो लर्न करने का तरीका 5 से एक स्टेप बैक ले लीजिए. 5(4) एंड 16(3). फाइन. सो 3 2 का 16, तो वैसे करके लिख दीजिए. दैट मीन्स कि नंबर्स व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग यू हैव टू बिल्ड सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ द कुछ ना कुछ लिंकेज डेवलप कीजिए कि हाउ आई कैन स्टोर दीज थिंग्स फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है. Article 16(3) क्या बोलता है? Empower the state to make a special provision for the reservation in the appointment or post in the favor of scheduled tribe. So yes, यहाँ पे क्या है कि इन्होंने empower किया है कि रिजर्वेशन की जाएगी किसी भी अपॉइंटमेंट या पोस्ट के लिए स्पेशली फॉर द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब. Article 46 क्या बोलता है? To promote with the special care education and economic interest of the scheduled tribes, protection from the social injustice and exploitation. That means there will be a utmost care will be provided to the scheduled tribes, and yes, for the educational and economic interest of the scheduled tribe, and yes, in against any kind of exploitation or social injustice, this certain kind of the care and protection will be provided to scheduled tribe. Next is your Article 275(1). बोलता है कि there is a grant in aid, कि aid जो है that will be provided for promoting the targeted welfare of the scheduled tribe. So that means उनकी social economic development के लिए क्या है aid जो है that will be provided. Then Article 330, 332 and 335 they all are related to the reservation of the seat, especially for the scheduled tribe in the Lok Sabha and State Assembly. That means they are not providing a reservation in the various kind of the state. आपका जितने भी educational है वहाँ पे ही नहीं provide किया जाता है, but yes, they are providing a reservation of the seats in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies too. Next is your Article 339 and Article 340. This is yes related to the control of the union over the welfare of the scheduled tribe and the powers to investigate thereof. Fine. So these are the certain articles which is related to your scheduled tribes के लिए. So you have to mention all these while you are answer writing. Next is your some important acts which ensure the social safeguard of the scheduled tribe. जैसे हमने scheduled caste के लिए देखा था कि exclusively there are the certain acts. In the similar manner, for the scheduled tribes also there are the various kind of the articles or various kind of the act exclusively meant for their upliftment. So first है scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. You have to remember this thing also. Himachal Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act of 1994. Then Panchayat Extension to the Scheduled Area, that is PISA Act, and National Forest Policy of the 1988. आपका जो that is related to the जितने भी आपके minor products हैं forest के fine उनके लिए क्या है? This is National Forest Policy of the 1988. Fine. So these are the certain safeguard which is related to scheduled tribes. Next is your Himachal Pradesh में क्या है? There is an exclusive department of tribal development of the Himachal Pradesh. So yes, यहाँ पे ये जो department है इसको mandate है exclusive department. So what exactly इसकी क्या क्या aims हैं, what exactly it is, कौन सी अपने क्या क्या चीज़ें ये करता है. Fine. So first is your जितने भी matters हैं related to planning, for example कि assessment करना है कितने resources हैं, कोई plan बनाना है, formulation of the plans, या कोई target lay down करना है, physical aspect and the coordination in the various relation to the various matters affecting the tribal areas and the member of the scheduled tribe. तो जितना भी आपका management and planning part होता है, is all are under the Department of Tribal Development in Himachal Pradesh. Next is your ये डिपार्टमेंट है, yes, ऐसा नहीं है कि उसने प्लान फॉर्मुलेट कर लिया उसके बाद ये ट्रैक नहीं करेगा, periodically असेसमेंट की जाएगी एंड yes, इवैल्यूएशन भी किया जाएगा ट्राइबल सब प्लान एक्टिविटीज का, so that जो भी वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर रहे हैं that is not stagnant, that is keep on evolving with the requirement of the time. Next is your policy matters including introduction of the new scheme affecting tribal area. So yes, time to time they keep on framing the new policies, new schemes for the socio-economic development of the tribal people and tribal areas. Next is your yes, ये जो है अपना department ये advice भी देता है आपको various departments को on the proposal and in relation to the matters which is affecting your tribal areas and the members of the scheduled tribes. And yes, overall जितना भी आपकी activities का coordination है, management है, evaluation है, fine, all is under the department of this particular, ये इस department के अंदर है. And yes, it is also providing a managerial support to the function of the tribal advisory council. जो advisory council है उसके लिए भी क्या है ये आपका functional support जो है ये provide करता है. Along with this, administration and management of the integrated tribal development of projects in the state. तो जितने भी आपके IDFs हैं, फाइन, उनको भी क्या करेगा ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करेगा, इसके साथ साथ ट्राइबल एडवाइजरी काउंसिल को भी क्या करेगा, इट विल व्हाट, it will manage all the things. So that means ये जो आपका डिपार्टमेंट है of the tribal development हिमाचल प्रदेश, it is responsible for the overall coordination and evaluation of all the activities and yes, integration of the tribal council, advisory council and ITDFs. Fine, so this is important. Next is your again एक framework है which you need to mention, that is your tribal development framework TDF. What exactly? ये जो आपका TDF है that assesses the development attainment, कितना development हो गया है of the tribal communities in the state, various legal and regulatory instrument available to safeguard and protect the lives and the livelihood of the tribal communities, state support which is available for the development and conserving their customary rights and practices and the institutional setup for the extending the support in the state. So that means ये assess करता है कितनी development attain कर ली है, जितना भी coordination है, fine. So this framework is very important. And yes, the main objective of the TDF is to avoid or minimize any kind of the adverse impact on the tribal community. तो कोई भी आपका adverse impact है उसको minimize करने के लिए, so that means it is ensuring the mitigating measures. Next is your it ensure the project जो engage है that is in a very free, prior and informed consultation with the tribal people. So that means if any kind of the project is in process, that will what? अगर वो तभी implement होगा जब आपकी proper planning और implementation and monitoring की जाएगी along with the tribal people. Next is your identify the views of the tribal people. So that means कि जब भी आपका कोई particular implementation है तो जो आपके tribal लोगों का जो व्यू पॉइंट है that will be centric, that will be always considered. Next is your it ensure that the project benefits and are accessible to the tribal communities. That means whatever the project area होगा वहाँ पे जो भी आपका project हो रहा है उसका जो fruit है, उसका जो benefit है that must be distributed among all the tribal communities. Fine. So that means this is very important. Fine. So this is about your various steps which is being taken by your ST के regarding क्या क्या चीजें हैं. Fine. We already had a discussion. Fine. So in the upcoming videos we'll have the discussion कि what are the steps which is being taken by your Himachal Pradesh. सेम कंसेप्ट के साथ चलेंगे जैसे शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट का था. फाइन. अभी तो हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेमवर्क एंड कौन कौन से आपके डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, सेम जैसे हमने एससी में किया था वैसे हमने शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स में किया था. इन द अपकमिंग वीडियोस विल हैव द डिस्कशन व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स व्हिच इज बीइंग टेकन बाय योर हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. कौन से बजट में एक्सक्लूसिवली आपकी क्या है वेरियस स्कीम्स जो हैं वो मेंशन की गई हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज सेशन. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड कनेक्टेड. थैंक यू.